Today we are going to be making the ever delicious apple crisp old fashioned. We're going to start off with 3 to 4 dashes of vanilla bitters. Holy smokes, shot everywhere. Whoopsies. Okay, then we are going to use 0.75 ounces of brown sugar syrup. Then 0.25 ounces of butterscotch schnapps. It's ever going to come out. There we go. Oh, I dribbled. No. Okay. Then last but not least, we're going to do 2 full ounces of Apple Brandy. Now, we're going to add ice to our stirring vessel. About 3/4 of the way up the glass for ice. And then we are going to stir to dilute the cocktail. Now, when you do stirred cocktails, make sure that you are tasting them to make sure that the dilution is where you want it. Otherwise, you're going to have a really, really sharp cocktail. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants to cut their tongue on a sharp cocktail. Ow! So once the ice is about halfway diluted is when you want to taste it the first time. See where you're at. So I'm going to get a straw. Dive right in. I'd say probably just a little bit more. That is nummy. Okay. I'm going to do one more just quick taste here, but I think that should do it. Perfect. Okay. So we are going to put this in a rocks glass. So we are going to be using a BFC. And I'm going to use my julep strainer for this one. Again, you can use a hawthorn strainer if you're not comfortable using the julep, but that's totally up to you. And then we are going to strain right over the top of our beautiful BFC. It's a magic BFC. Okay. As always, no cocktail is complete without a garnish, so I'm going to use my massive, ridiculously large tweezers here. And we are going to use a dehydrated apple slice and the chihuahua. And that is just going to float right on top of our BFC. Stay. And maybe is going to stay on top of our BFC. But there we have our apple crisp old fashioned. Okay, we're going to give it a taste and we're going to rate. Cool, the apple is crazy, but you do smell the butterscotch. Ooh, that is yummy. Okay, legit, straight up tastes like apple crisp. You get that nice like warm vanilla flavor. You get a little bit of the butterscotch coming through. It's definitely like, it just warms you from the inside. I don't know how else to explain it. Definitely very vanilla-y, but the apple is just at the forefront. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, for me, out of 5, again, 5 being the best, 1 being the least best, I'm gonna go with a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5 for me. This is definitely something I would drink at a restaurant. I would definitely have a second one because it is just very well balanced. But if you enjoyed the cocktails, you enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All of the recipe information is going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. Until the next pour, guys. Cheers!